Robet. I wanted to do another quick part. This is related to transitions. I forgot to mention in my previous transition part. Look over here. Of course, we know to open this box, you have to, select a clip and then click on animation. But what I forgot to mention was how to extend the transition. So say you want, let's click on this one. Okay, let's move this. I forgot what I called it. This viewing stick thing. Let's move this over here so we can see what we're doing. So I'm going to play this real quick. Okay, you saw that transition, right? Now say you want the transition to be longer, to, just last longer. So if you have your clip with the transition on it selected, and you're in the right box, which that was an in transition, if you look down here, you'll see something that says duration, which is pretty much how long the transition effect will play. So right now it's on 0.5 seconds. Of course, if you want it to be longer or shorter, you go over here to this, this line. Now there's a, I guess we can call it a box. I'm not sure if it looks like that on the camera, but it's a box right here and it has a little arrow in it. You just click on that arrow and you drag it. You drag it to the right if you want the effect to last longer. You drag it to the left if you want the effect to last shorter. And I guess it'd be weird to put it on 0. You might as well just turn the transition off. So let me drag it on to as long as it can be. So before, if you remember, the transition line was like right here. And I'm going to try to bring the camera closer. But now you see the line, it stretches throughout the entire clip because, I dragged the duration line of it all the way over. So I want to play it back so you can see, how it looks. Alright, so when a transition effect is dragged out, it kind of slows down the effect so that it'll stretch throughout however long the clip is. So now I'm going to shorten the duration so we can see what it looks like when it's shortened. Okay, let's move this viewing stick. There we go. So it did it a lot quicker after I made it shorter. So I just wanted to bring that up. I forgot to mention it in a previous transition video. That's how you, speed up and slow down your transitions so that they last longer on your clips. All right, see you in the next one.